In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Forms Pro. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft Forms. You can type forms.office.com into the address bar. Make sure you're signed in with the account you want to use, ideally your work or school Microsoft 365 account, so the licensing applies to the right organization and profile. Once you're on the Forms home or design page, give the page a second to fully load so the top navigation appears. Next, look toward the upper right corner of the screen for a link that says Buy Microsoft 365. This is the entry point to the subscription options that unlock Microsoft Forms' advanced capabilities. If you don't see it, you may already have a qualifying subscription, or your organization might hide purchase links for managed users. That's normal. Just follow your organization's purchasing process if needed. Go ahead and select Buy Microsoft 365. You'll be taken to Microsoft's plan comparison and checkout area. Here, you can review the different plans, see what's included, and confirm the features you care about. Keep in mind that plan names, availability, and pricing can vary by region and may change over time, so always read the details on the page before you proceed. Now choose the billing cadence that fits your situation. Click Yearly to view the annual billing option. This typically displays the per-user price billed annually, and it can sometimes offer a lower effective rate if you're confident you'll use the product throughout the year. It's a good moment to check how many licenses you need and whether any add-ons are shown. Then click Monthly to switch the view to the month-to-month option. This is useful if you prefer flexibility or you're piloting Microsoft Forms before a wider rollout. You'll see the per-user monthly price here so you can compare it directly with the yearly view. Use this toggle to decide which commitment level makes the most sense for your budget and timeline. When you're satisfied, follow the on-screen prompts in the checkout flow to complete your purchase. After the subscription is active, return to forms.office.com and sign in with the licensed account. If you're in an organization, license assignment might take a short while to propagate. Once it does, you can start creating surveys and collecting responses with the features available to your plan. That's it. Now you know the quickest path to getting Microsoft Forms Pro through the Microsoft 365 purchase flow.